You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name once and for all of this Indian economist and philosopher and Nobel Prize receiver in 1988. Amartya Sen is how it's pronounced, the Indian pronunciation. Amartya Sen in English. You can say it as Amartya Sen, Amartya Sen, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.